real steep bit, alright? Remember to keep straight until you get to where you're going to turn.
Okay.
And have a look as we're coming in to see how sharp it is and what it's like. For now, just keep going. It's not this here, it's the second one, alright? So because you've got such a steep hill in a second, what gear is going to be best?
I don't know.
Well,
Gear one.
One, yeah. So keep lovely and straight, let go of the brake a bit, put it in first gear. Now, get extra slow, don't turn yet. Gas now, bite now, and look up and round, clutch all the way up, and now just use your gas pressure. But keep us in first. You alright with that?
Yeah.
Just keep us in first, it's fine. Good. And then where do we look? Around. Great stuff. And we're going to do the same with this. We're going to be ready to slow it if needed. Keep off.
Oh, right.
Keep off.
Oh, yeah.
Go slow. Have a look. Do we need to slow any more?
No.
If a car came, we may do. Don't turn too early. Look out to your right, and that's better. And now again, stay in first and just use your gas. So when it's dead steep, that's what to do.
Okay.
Any questions with that?
Why just staying in one?
Find somewhere to park in a sec. Do we need to tell anyone?
Yeah.
Where are you going to park in relation to this blue one? Not next to it. Go down the road a bit so people can get past. Make sense?
Yeah.
Good. Well done. Alright, nice job. So, good question as well. Why first? Well, which gears give you more power and acceleration?
Hopefully the higher ones.
No, the lower ones.
Is it?
If you think about it, which gears seem to accelerate you the quickest or are more sensitive? The lower ones. If you think you're in fourth gear and you put your foot down, it would still accelerate, but it wouldn't accelerate like it would do in first.
Yeah.
Makes sense? So the car needs more power to go up the hill, even though it was at a stage there where it sounded as though it needed second gear.
Yeah.
And it was even telling us on the dashboard that
Was
it did. Yeah, as well. You can see where it says N for neutral at the moment.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was saying 1, and there was a little arrow to say go up to 2. However, you need to ignore that sometimes, because up that hill, if you'd have chose second gear, it wouldn't have had enough pull and power to get us up there.
Or the stalled.
Probably, yeah. Alright, and definitely wouldn't have had enough flexibility in the gear to slow down enough for the corners.